everybody, I just wanted to show you guys, once you become monetized, how you can monetize all your videos. A lot of people have been thinking that you have to do them one by one. Me, I have over 400 videos, so there's no way I'm going to be going one by one to monetize all these videos. So this is the quick way to do it to avoid all the headache. So you're going to want to go to Creator Studio. You're going to go to Video Manager. And you're going to want to hit this box here next to Actions. Tap the Actions box. Hit Monetize. And it's going to say, by monetizing videos on YouTube, you confirm that you own all necessary commercial use rights for all visual and audio elements, blah, blah, blah. Basically, you hit monetize, and it's going to take, depending on how many videos you have, mine took only about 5 minutes to monetize almost all of my videos. One thing that I did run into, though, was that not all of them were approved. I had about 8, which is not bad, 8 that didn't get approved. So I can give you one example. It will have, instead of it having the green $sign, it'll have a yellow one. So what that means is, if you feel like you didn't go against company policy, like this one, nothing in here is against company policy, but I can request a manual review, and someone will go in and manually review it. Most of the time they'll approve it, and then sometimes they won't. So like, I'm not too worried about this one because it was like a short live. But if I wanted to request a review, I could just tap this. And request a manual review. And this is what it says. If you feel like you still need to be monetized for this video, you hit confirm and submit. And that's it. That wraps up this video for today. I hope that it was helpful for you. If you're new to my channel, be sure to subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you guys so much.